Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. I am also fine. Very good. Okay. Children, tell me which kind of sound you are able to hear now? Can you hear the chirping of birds? Yes. Can you hear some people murmuring outside? Yes. Okay. And what else? I can hear dogs barking. And which kind of sound you can hear? Tell me, come on fast. Yes, very good. Someone said it is raining outside and I can hear the sound. Who said that? Oh, Advik said. Very good, Advik. Yes, it is raining outside. Why it is raining? Because it is rainy season. Okay. I will show you one elephant which is sitting outside in the rain. Okay. See? Can you see this elephant? He don't have his house. So, he is sitting sad in rain. Okay. We all are so lucky that we live in a house with our family. Okay, children. Now, I will tell you what is today's date. Okay. Children, today's date is 2.7.2020. That means today's date is 2nd July 2020 and day is Thursday. Okay. Children, yesterday we have done a activity of dough. We have made dough. Today we will do another activity. Who is excited for that? All are excited. Very good. So today we will start with a new activity. Before that, I will teach you something. Okay. Okay, children. You remember in some previous videos we have learned alphabets, we have learned swar. In same that way, today we will learn numbers. Okay. So, the first number from all the numbers is 1. Okay. This is 1. Children, when anyone asks you what is this, you have to tell this is 1 number. Okay. Which number it is? 1. Children, we all have one nose, one mouth. Okay. So, we will learn a 2 lines poem on 1 number. Okay. Repeat after me. I have one nose and one mouth. My family and I live in one coop. Okay. What this chick is saying? This chick is saying she have one nose and one mouth and she lives with her family in a coop. Now children, what is coop? Coop is the home of hen, cock and their babies. Their babies are known as chick. It looks like this. Okay. Children, we also have one nose and one mouth. Do we have two nose? No, not at all. We have only one nose. Okay. Now I will show you some more examples of one. Okay. See children, I have one eraser, one pencil, one pen, one color, one stick. Okay. Now I have only one eraser, one pencil, one pen, one color and one stick. Okay. Now in your videos you have to show me what else you have one. Okay, at your home. Now we will do the activity using one number. Who is ready? Very good. All are ready. Okay. Now we will start our activity. Children, today we will color this butterfly and then we will paste some grains on this. First, I will show you how to color it and then I will show you the next step. Okay. Our first step is coloring this butterfly. So what we will do is we will draw some design on this. Okay. Take help of your parents for drawing such designs. See children, I have drew some circles in this butterfly's wings. We all have seen butterflies have different colors in their wings. Similarly, we will do the coloring. Okay. So, take crayons and start coloring. You will first color the border. I have taught you how to color in the previous videos. See children, you have to color this butterfly. Okay. Now we will paste grains in this butterfly. See how I have colored it. Okay. Now I will show you which kind of grains we have to use. Now we will start pasting these grains in this butterfly. Okay. Take a bit of Fevicol, put it in these wings of the butterfly and start pasting the grains. In this way. See children, while doing this activity, you have to be with your parents. Okay. Now we will stick the grains in the other wing of this butterfly. See children? Okay. See this? Now we will keep it aside and we will let it dry. Okay. Children, now till this butterfly is getting dried, what we will do is we will pick up the grains which we have drawn down. Okay. So that Mama will not get any kind of trouble for doing work again and again. We will clean the floor. Okay. Now I will teach you something. We will do question answering. Okay. Till this butterfly dries. Now children, tell me, when you see the moon, when we see in the sky, what do we see? We see clouds, we see birds, we see moon. We see moon. How many moon do we see in the sky? We see only one moon in the sky. Okay. How many moon we see in the sky? Only one. Have anyone seen two moons in the sky? No one. We have only seen one moon in the sky. How many nose do we have? We have only one nose. Okay. Everybody touch your nose. Come on. Okay. Now tell me how many mouth you have? Only one mouth. Okay. And what does we do with that mouth? We eat. We talk with that mouth. Okay. Now tell me, everyone look at your mother. What do you see? Mama has a bindi on her forehead. How many bindi she puts on her head? She sticks on her head? Only one bindi. Okay, how many bindi? One bindi. Okay, very good. Now we will check our butterfly. Oh wow, this is completely ready. See children. Very nice, it is looking very nice. We will draw eyes of this butterfly. See. Now our activity is completely ready. You have to do the same at your home and show me. Okay. Then I will give you star. Thank you.